If you think you're going to save money by buying a fluorescent light to grow cannabis indoors compared to a full spectrum LED grow light, you're making a huge mistake, guys. What's going on? My name's Chris here from Ambrosia Buds, and what I want to explain to you today is what I found out by starting making these videos. So when I started creating these videos on YouTube, a lot of videos were popping up on my feed of people comparing these fluorescent grow lights that we're getting off of Amazon and the price as to full spectrum LED grow lights from like companies like Spider Farmer, VIVOSUN, and AC Infinity. And guys, I'm not saying that the fluorescent grow lights cannot grow plants indoors. They're great for house plants and microgreens, and that's what you're seeing in these videos. These people are growing very small plants, like microgreens only get like this big. They're keeping the light close to the plant, like roughly 6 to 12 inches away. And you can also get these fluorescent lights in different spectrums of blue and red, just like you can an LED grow light for cannabis. But the difference is the light intensity and the light penetration, and that's what you're going for, guys. So if you're growing cannabis indoors or you're growing cannabis in a tent, what you really want to do is look at your light as an investment and a tool. Or a better way to look at it is like gasoline for a motor. Guys, if you take cheap watered down gas and you put it in a high performance race car, if you will, you're not going to get the same performance out of the motor as if you put the correct gas in it. So when it comes to growing cannabis indoors, you want to get the correct light. And a fluorescent light is not going to give you the results that you want. And what are those results? Those results are bigger, healthier plants, healthier roots. They're going to produce you healthy, big, heavy buds and nugs. Okay, and the reason the LEDs work better is, for one, when it comes to a cannabis plant, and if you're growing indoors, you're probably keeping them a little bit smaller, so I'd say roughly 3, 4, 5 foot, depending on the size of your tent. And what that requires is light penetration. You don't want the light just hitting the top of the plant. You're going to want to trim and prune the plant so you get full light penetration, so all the branches and all the leaves and all the buds are getting the same care and intensity of light in order to produce the buds that you're actually striving for. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a couple of different lights and price ranges and by manufacturers in the description below so you guys can take a look at them. And I'll also link some of these fluorescent lights these people are talking about so you can compare too, because what you're going to want to look at is the specs as far as the lumen and the intensity. I'm not going to lie, for house plants, the fluorescent lights work great, and if you're growing microgreens, it works great too, and people are making a lot of money growing microgreens as well. But this channel is really dedicated to people that are just starting out and beginning to grow cannabis at home. So that's what I'm focusing on, guys. So if you haven't done so already, do yourself a favor, ring the notification bell so you get updated to all the videos I make when I make them. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and let me know if you have any questions by shooting them down in the comment section below. But that's it, guys. Take it easy, stay green, and keep growing.